down to that your platform is really a pure extension of Salesforce. That for me was a huge thing. I was like writing on their integrations and stuff, and the fact that there was sort of that middleware in between using Workato, and they were still claiming that it was a Salesforce integration. I just thought it's another point of failure. It's another thing that can break. And that was sort of at the end of the day, sort of the nail in the coffin for us with those guys. So yeah, that's sort of how we got to where we are today.
Okay, so you said Workato, is that what I heard?
Yes, they say that they integrate with Salesforce, but actually they use Workato as their sort of like as their middleware for integration. It's not a native integration built to their platform.
Got it. And so why exactly was that the final nail in the coffin? Like what pains was it causing you?
Well, when we were assessing the platforms, there wasn't sort of like, how do I put it? When you're talking about like an opportunity in Salesforce or registering a deal and all of that sort of stuff, you basically want to sort of bring in and then hide the fields that you're capturing in Salesforce. Like if you already have a program going, that sort of stuff. We found throughout sort of like the demo and the technical discussions that it was like, well, yeah, we have some fields here, and then like we'll try and work out how to map them to your fields. Then we'll try and work out how to update them. And it's like, well, can you add more fields in here to represent the fields that we already need that are in Salesforce? Well, we can, we'll see what we can try and do. And then we're like, well, you said this is a native Salesforce integration, so surely you can pull this stuff. Oh, it is native. It is. And it went on and went on. And then eventually, when we got under the hood, we found out that like platform does not have APIs that communicate to Salesforce. There's middleware in between with Workato that basically then can be plugged into Salesforce or can be plugged into HubSpot, and it's not a pure sort of representation of I think what a number of companies want.
Right.
So that's sort of where we were, and then